Now, moving forward, let's begin our adventure. For now, let us import the required libraries. So I have imported this. Now we will be reading a CSV file. Now to read a CSV file, I have already uploaded a dataset here, which is RCB data. But I'll show you how to upload the data on Kaggle website. Here the website I'm using is Kaggle, so I can show it here. Just click on add data. Once you click on add data, here you have upload a dataset option. Upload a dataset, and here you can drag and drop or browse a file whichever you want to upload. Give it a title here, anything it can be. Once you give a title, just say create. It will create that dataset. Okay.